Welcome to Whistling Rock, the hidden gem nestled at the base of the South Mountain Preserve. Welcome to 211 East Desert Wind Drive. I'm Amy Richardson, and this stunning property spans over 3,800 square feet in the heart of the Ahwatukee foothills.
Private casita is perfect for out-of-town guests, multi-generational living, a home office, or even a creative studio. A truly versatile space to fit your lifestyle.
This home is the perfect blend of luxury and comfort with freshly painted light and bright interiors. It's ideal for that low-maintenance lifestyle and cozy family gatherings. Think about snuggling up with this cozy fireplace in your backyard ramada, taking in one of the most beautiful sunsets that our community is known for.
The urban village of Ahwatukee offers a charming, small-town atmosphere with a tight-knit community, making it an ideal location for those seeking safety and the convenience of proximity to the vibrant offerings of downtown Phoenix. Just steps from trailheads and top-rated schools, this is a perfect setting for a dynamic lifestyle. If you're looking for more than just a place to live, if you're looking for a place to thrive, contact me to discover how you can become part of the friendly and vibrant community of Ahwatukee. Ahwatukee isn't just a home, it's a way of life.